what it would feel like, so that it begins to believe it's in the actual experience of freedom now.
I like money. I love it. I receive and accept money with love and gratitude.
So become aware of the beliefs that may be blocking the flow of money in your life, and then change those beliefs and begin to create new, abundant thinking. Even if no one else in your family has done this, you can open your mind to the concept of money flowing into your life. If we want to prosper, then we must use prosperity thinking.
I want you to imagine your whole body moving into a very relaxed state. You're letting everything I'm saying flow right into your consciousness. It is the most magnificent feeling. You actually feel the energy flowing into your consciousness.